Hey y'all, it's me, Tiffany, with For the Love of Creating for You. So today I decided to do a wave. It's going into summer. Right now we're in spring, so I was feeling very oceany. So I decided to do a wave. And what I did was I mixed my paint, all of my paints, with water, Floetrol and the paint. So we'll say we got about 20% water, no, 20% paint and about 40% Floetrol and a little water. And I don't really measure, you guys, when I do my paint mixing. I just kind of go on the consistency of the paint. Depends on what project I'm doing, how thin I want my paint, how thick I want my paint. So of course I'm using the blow dryer on this project. So I wanted my paint to be, a little thin so I can manipulate it with the blow dryer, blow it around, okay? So I really enjoyed how the wave came out. I really enjoyed creating her, and I'm actually going to do a larger piece. This piece here is a 14 by 14 original. Of course, you can always order larger prints, canvas prints, with no problem. The brand paint that I am using in today's project is Liquitex. I'll have a lot of Liquitex paint. I really enjoy the consistency of the paint. It's a good thick paint to work with, and it does well when you're mixing for your Fluidart projects as well. I love the color combo here. I am actually thinking of doing a rainbow wave. I think it would be a beautiful project to complete. I'm just adding a little more blue in there to just kind of give it that little blue water look there. I felt like it was a lot of gray in that area. Did you guys know that the color blue gives off an emotion of calmness, soothing, and also gives a feeling of comfort? I love working with blues. Blues are actually safe colors to work with. I have to use my fingers just to kind of give the wave around the edges a little organic look, like it's splashing, you know how water splashes when it's out there in the ocean. So I use my fingers to kind of give it that organic look. You guys, you don't see this on camera, but I had to scrape the paint off that tip and redo the tip. Sometimes the tips of the waves can be difficult They take a little more work to get it how you want it, but I finally got the tip how I wanted it. I'm just cleaning the edges because the paint is kind of still dripping. So I'm just going around and make sure the edges are not dripping and they're all covered. I forgot to tell you guys, this video is sped up. Let's see, I think I did this one 2.5, okay? I'm not moving this fast. Just bursting some of the air bubbles with my culinary torch. And here's your close-up. I love how she came out. I think she is beautiful. Thanks for watching, you guys. Go out there and create something.